All right, it's your boy Crypto Blood. Welcome to another sponsor review. I've got a new one, a new concept. Like I've seen fantasy football or basketball done on the blockchain, but this particular company, CoinFantasy.io, is looking to have this whole gamification of cryptos introduced to the masses. So let's go ahead and take a look at this new platform. And the site is CoinFantasy.com. Win mega rewards by predicting the outcomes of your favorite coins. They've been featured on Benzinga, Morningstar, the Daily Herald, and Yahoo Finance, to list a few. But the interesting thing about this whole platform is the fact that Coin Fantasy is actually the #1 multi-chain NFT-based decentralized fantasy gaming platform. I know it's a mouthful, but it's focusing on cryptocurrencies, but it's focusing on the financial markets and, of course, cryptocurrencies, okay, in a decentralized fantasy solution. And they want to really gamify the whole crypto markets. And so with Coin Fantasy, it is a carefully curated solution for people who love gaming but hate the complicated crypto experience and delayed settlements. They have their own coin, the C Fantasy token, which will serve as a governance token, enabling its users to vote on various features regarding platform usability and parameters such as game duration, interest rates, and more. And as this platform continues to expand its footprint and gain traction, the company's long-term plans include tackling various problems within the current fantasy solutions realm by adopting a range of features such as instant settlements, decentralized gaming, smart credit systems, and more. Their partners include Polygon, Reef, CoinGecko, Unilend, Bioeconomy, and Covalent. So some of their key features, guys, is of course the decentralization aspect of it. Coin Fantasy is the world's first decentralized fantasy gaming for the financial markets. That's the operative word there, the financial markets. It has instant settlements with their smart contracts, quote unquote. Electronic smart contracts made on Ethereum generate instant settlements, making them immutable and transparent, cementing cradle to grave contractual relationships. The fantasy token, their C Fantasy token, that is, will add additional governance features within this platform and will also focus on control for the end users for different parameters such as duration, interest rates, and more. And also, it is community driven. Okay, the smart contracts generated between the shipper and carrier cements that cradle to grave contractual relationship, in addition to utilizing user feedback and constant communication within its community to understand various facets within products, features, or even interest rate improvements and modifications. They have what's also called this Coin Fantasy Launchpad, okay? And this allows all users, including the game organizers, participants, and other sponsors, to showcase their NFTs and actually sell them via the Coin Fantasy Launchpad. Two types. You've got NFTs that will be available via the mega pool and NFTs that are minted. And this is based on consistent performance. Mint-based NFTs will be available based on winning percentages and the amount of games played. The mega pool NFTs, however, will be for organizers to hold contests with prizes beyond $1 million. And lastly, the smart credit system. So with this access, users can get instant credit using the smart credit system for being regulars on the platform, encouraging consistent participation and engagement. Another layer of gamification there. And then lastly, I just want to talk about and touch on this multi-dimensional ecosystem they have over at coinfantasy.io. Utilizing their broad range of products and solutions, Coin Fantasy's ecosystem will expand into DAOs, staking, CF Oracle launches, smart credit lending and borrowing, and the world's first instant and personalized theme-based compartmentalized digital asset platform, or basket. I know it's a lot there, but they are really building a full ecosystem for you to take advantage of, play around with, and just have fun, and also make money while doing that. Or I should say potentially make money, right? Nothing's guaranteed, but at least it makes it a very fun and free and easygoing experience for you, the end user. So here's their product roadmap. They've completed a decent amount so far, Q3 of this year, mainnet version and TGE. We've got the NFT Launchpad testing, okay, and liquidity mining also online with the NFT Launchpad. So in Q4, they're planning to have the pools launch, the mega pools launch, staking, NFT redemption, and swap launch, and also lending and borrowing in its beta phase at that point. So I really like their website. I want you to go check it out when you get a chance, coinfantasy.io, for more details on how this whole thing works, and actually sign up if you're interested in playing. So before we get out of here, I want to show you guys a quick example of how you would play Coin Fantasy. So essentially what you want to do is go to coinfantasy.io and just click the enter game button. That will take you to the sign up page where you can connect your MetaMask wallet to the RinkyBuy testnet. And I'm going to explain to you what you want to do. So before you hit that connect with wallet, you want to make sure your MetaMask is ready to go. You want to make sure the drop down is connected to the RinkyBuy network, test network, not your main Ethereum network. Currently, Coin Fantasy is working on the RinkyBuy testnet, so that's the one you want to connect, okay? You're going to have to fund your account, and I'll go through that here in a second, but connect your wallet. Once you click that, it's going to prompt you to actually connect. So click the wallet you want to connect. Once you do that, it's going to ask you for a referral code. You're going to skip this one. At least I don't have a referral code for you, but the next step is to enter your email. Once you enter your email address, you can click next. After that, it's going to ask you to create a username. So for this, make it something you will remember. It's going to be unique to you and visible on the Coin Fantasy platform. Once you do that, you will see you have a balance here at the top of $0, 0 USDC and 0 USDT. You're going to need to initially add some tokens and fund your account. And so what you're going to do is click that request USDC button there. It's going to take a minute, and boom, now you have your funds available, 1,000 USDC. So you can now hit the back, and currently the only game you see here is the top 100 coins in 2021. There will be a list of many different challenges you can participate in, but we're going to click this one for now. And as you guys see, there are 3 available at this moment: airdrop for all, 1, 2, and 3. As you can see though, the entries, there are 5 out of 5 entries, meaning no additional players can actually participate in any of these games here. However, I can still walk you through how this whole process works. So if you just click on the yellow bar, it will give you a breakdown of the total pool prize, which is $40 for this one, and it breaks down what the winning distribution looks like. If you click info, you'll be able to see how many points you actually, or credits you earn for every 0.1% price change. You'll earn +1, and that's across 4 hours, 24 hours, and 7 days. Volume and market cap, for every 0.1% you earn 2 points, and so on and so forth. And it's also the opposite if it heads in the downward direction. As you guys see here, you lose points. So if you click join for 10 USDC, it's going to give you 100 credits to basically select all the coins you think are going to go in your favor. So you just hit +1. I'm going to do Solana. I like Solana a lot. Binance, Cosmos, and boom, I've used my 100 credits. Pretty much, there's only 7 left, and then you will click the join contest button. Again, I'm not able to do that at this very moment simply because these contests are actually full, but you get kind of how it works. I would say check back on the next round of games to see if you can actually join one of them to play. There is a prize of 1,000 real USD available for you if you play these games, so definitely jump on there, test them out, and enter to possibly win 1,000 real USDC. So it's pretty straightforward. It's really a good way to get some skin in the game and bet on your favorite cryptos, but by making it fun, and not as serious as looking at the markets and figuring out which market caps are the best and all of that. They have gamified the art of predicting the outcomes of your favorite coins. So check it out. Let me know in the comments below if you found this interface easy to use. Were you confused? Let me know. I want to know how you feel. And if I get enough feedback, I'll definitely do another video on Coin Fantasy maybe when they actually go live. So drop those comments in the section below. I definitely want you to check it out and give me some feedback in the section below about your experience with coinfantasy.io. Have you used it in the past, or is this going to be your first time using it? Let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll definitely look out for more projects to sponsor review for you. And don't forget to read the disclaimer here. It's your boy Crypto Blood. I'm out of here. Holla!